Cartagena, Colombia, and we are going to the Rosario tour.
Going to the Rosario Islands. There's a couple of them. Our tour today, I believe, goes to 2 of them or 3 of them?
3 of them. We're gonna see the Pablo Escobar house too.
Oh yeah, it goes by Pablo Escobar's beach house. So this is our tour lining up. It's really easy to get here from the hotel area. It only takes about 8 minutes, 10 minutes. And there are lots of guys selling tours. So if you didn't book beforehand, I would just come here about right before 8 o'clock and buy a tour. So we just talked to our tour provider and she gave us a better explanation because we really weren't paying much attention when we bought this tour. So there's a ton of different boat tours to the Rosario Islands. Ours include, it's called a party boat. So we have 3 islands and 2 like drive-bys. So we go by Pablo Escobar's old mansion and we stop at 3 islands. And the last island we spend 2 hours and it's just like a loud beach party, you know, drinking, fun, loud music. There's other boats that do like, there's a oceanarium. They're like, you go swim with the dolphins. So there's a place where you go swim with the dolphins or you go snorkeling and things like that. But we're like, you know, we're not going snorkeling because I can't swim right now and Chris doesn't snorkel. So, you know, be very careful when you pick your boat excursion because they all look the same, but they're all a bit different. And we're off. It's a big old group. I guess the nice part about taking one of the party boats is there's no kids on it. Sort of a adult fun party time here. You ready, baby?
Ready.
Let's go. There's our boat, and you can see it is a pretty large group.
Cogiendo cerveza negrita, anda con nosotros. Ah, ok, dale.
First stop was like 2 hours, and we're leaving soon. It was a great place.
So our first stop is Playa Blanco. As you can see, it is extraordinarily busy. It is on a peninsula, I believe, so you can drive here from the mainland, but all the tours that come here come by boat. As you can see, these public beaches that are nice, sandy, white beaches are very, very busy.
We're still at the day beach. Everything here, it's you know, we can have the best for free and we can pay for the drinks. My pina colada was like 60 pesos, obviously, and the beer was 12 plus tips. So
They're small beers.
really small, regular beers.
No,
They weren't too small.
they're less than 12-ounce beers.
Oh wow, less than 12-ounce beer. Ooh, they even have chimichurria on the. You can buy everything. Look at those fresh fruits. They look good.
So we're finishing up our 1-hour stop here on
Almost 2 hours.
on Blanca Beach. It's really, actually the beach is beautiful. The sand is super powdery soft and soft. There's no rocks in the water really, so you don't even need water shoes. Nice beach, but just too crowded.
Too crowded. So if you want just the beach, you should go to a private one
Yeah.
where it's not too many people selling stuff and not crowded with tourists. But we wanted to see more than one, that's why we came here and we enjoy it. I enjoy my pina colada with this beautiful water and sand, and I have fun.
It was nice. All right. Back on the boat with our tour group.
Isla Grande is the biggest island to the Rosario Island. In your right side, you can find Isla Marina or Isla. Cocomo va a ser lugar para nuestro almuerzo, chicos. ¿Ok? Como ustedes pueden ver, el lugar tiene un DJ.
Second stop of the day. So this is our included lunch. I got the fish. Chris got the chicken. Just a simple lunch.
Got to a different island, and I guess our chairs, I mean not chairs, tables are inside the water. So let's go and have a drink inside the water.
Yeah.
We're in Cholom, and this is the party island, right?
Playa del Party.
Playa del Party.
So the beach of the party. And it is a party here.
It is, everybody.
I see what they mean by the public beaches are really busy on the islands.
Yeah. So this one is kind of crazy, and we're gonna be here for 2 hours drinking. So good luck to us. This is crazy. We're in the water. What do you wanna drink?
They have a specialty drink called a Pablo Escobar, and I think that's what we need.
It's 150 pesos. That's, I don't know, $35? What we're gonna try? Maybe I get like a pina colada or something.
This is the famous Pablo Escobar drink here. Well, maybe not famous. But there you go. There's rum and tequila and a cornita in it. Chris got a pina colada.
Pina colada with 2 straws.
Yeah.
For some reason, this one is
Well,
different. You got 2 straws, so
I
one
do
is
too.
for me.
So the drinks might be expensive, but at least they look cute.
They look cute. This one, 150. This one, 65. So mine is cheaper.
Yeah, mine is like $30. So we're on our final island of the day. We have 2 hours here, and it is really nice. It's a great party atmosphere, but it is not cheap. Beers aren't too bad. They're about $4. Chris got a little ice cream sandwich, and it was $5 US.
20 pesos, like
20,000
$5
pesos.
for this little ice cream.
Yeah, so these public beaches are cool, they're nice, but they're expensive. I'm starting to wonder, like, the private island excursions out here, they might be $100 each, but a lot of them are all the liquor included and food included, but you just go to one island. And I'm wondering if that's a little nicer than paying $5 for a little ice cream sandwich.
Right, but I would still have to pay for my ice cream because that's not food, that's no drink, so...
Well, I mean, the one I looked
yes,
at...
the Uber driver told us that's what she does. She actually stays on the island when she goes.
So a lot of people have said that the all-inclusives, where you just go to one of the private islands, is nicer. Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna have time to do a second island tour to compare this trip. But this is actually really nice. I mean, it feels like there are some locals here, but not many.
Make sure you don't book with Get Your Guide because it was $60 per person, but if you go there, it's like $40 per person. So Get Your Guide did take their share.
Honestly, if you wanted to do it the cheapest you could, I would just go down to the port at like 7:30, 7:45, and find the guy selling you the best deal for what you want to do. There's a lot of guys out there selling excursions in the morning. All right, baby, what do you think of this excursion?
This excursion for us it was expensive. We make it very expensive because the pina colada is like 65 pesos versus a beer which is 12 or 15. So I don't
Yeah.
have beer, so that's
This little cheap excursion ended up being a lot more expensive than we thought. The drinks on these little islands are expensive.
we drink Pablo Escobar and that
Strong drink.
and that was like 150
Pesos, so like
It's
$32, $33.
right. That
Really
drink was
expensive.
more expensive than Vegas drink.
Yeah, so I don't know. I think if I come back, I would just go to one private island and not hop around the place. Those excursions were more, but they were all inclusive. All the drinks you could have, food, and it was like $106, $110. A lot better.
And we paid $60. And plus the
Drinks and all that. The drinks.
plus the
The
like 30,000.
yeah. So there's a $29,000 dock fee that I believe like all the excursions have to pay for the main dock in
Right.
Cartagena.
But if you go straight on gate 1 on the pier, it's including on the price and it's like $40 included.
Oh yeah.
Overall, we liked the excursion. We had a great day. It's tough to wake up in the morning, but we had a great day. And today the water was a little bit bumpy, so try to stay on the back of
If you do one of these excursions, stay in the back of the boat. That boat is bumpy.